we've got Square Body headquarters in Arizona building cabs out of our parts now.
Yeah, wow.
And we've got some more people coming online, and it's just it's really blown up and done really well. So yeah, I'd love to talk to you more.
I've seen one channel that I think has used the most. It's called United by Trucks.
Oh yeah,
and that's they're almost primarily square body, but they have occasional the C10.
Right.
And then one other channel, and I can't think of the name of this channel, that has actually used those bedsides and tailgates and things.